which the tempo gradually increases. Not only is this game a fun pastime, it can also sharpen hand-eye coordination and help improve reflexes and peripheral vision. In former times, this was one of many games taught to Māori children to equip them with skills essential for their teenage and adult life in traditional Māori society. Participants of the game stand or kneel facing each other in pairs or in a circle of 4 or more. The last person to drop their sticks as the tempo increased is the winner. Nowadays, you'll see most te rākau performed as an entertainment item to accompany the well-known waiata e papa waiari. Now, we will show you how to make some rods made from magazines so you too can perform a simple te rākau. Tightly roll a magazine from the spine to the open pages and secure it by wrapping sellotape at each end, like so. Then wrap another strip of sellotape around the middle of the roll and do the same to another old magazine. A kāti e huama, e tahi rākau mau, hei mahi te rākau. There you have it, my friends, some sticks for you to do te rākau with.